In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix GTA VMSVCP140.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to check for the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type System Info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type, and then once done, open a browser. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download button corresponding to your system type. Click on the folder icon. And then simply double click. Check this box. I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. So simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator option. Type sfc space / scan now. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between, and hit enter. Now the system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, just type exit in the command prompt window. Next method is also update your Windows. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to download and install the latest updates that your Windows needs. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.